praisers and savers. My name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is January the 19th and we're heading into Walmart to get some amazing hauls. Today in this video, I got everything for less than $7 for all the items. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell and also give me a big thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off and take it in the store, or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store. Also, please join me on my rebate apps, Fetch, Shopkick, and IBOTTA. All of those referral codes are in the description box. I'm starting us off with something that I usually don't get, and this is going to be on some seasoning mixes. I was really excited to get these seasoning mixes because seasoning is pretty high. And this is a great deal. Now, IBOTTA has a ton of BOGO offers going on right now on their app. So please check them out. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 of these Kinder's seasoning mixes. These are $1.68 each. When you pick up 2, your total is going to be $3.36. We're going to be submitting to IBOTTA for $1.68. to get it back on that. So we'll make each pack of seasoning just 84 cents each. No paper coupons needed on these deals. This next deal is a total freebie, and I think this is going to run out quickly, so we need to go ahead and get this in. So these Essential Mist, I'm actually going to take one of these and put it in my office at school because I have these and never even use them. So these are $10.97 each. We have a coupon on the coupon app for $5.50 back. And then we also have an IBOTTA for $5.50. So with that coupon on the coupon app and that IBOTTA rebate, this is going to make this totally free. I love a great deal on dishwasher tabs. These are going to be just $2.12 each. Again, I talked to you before about all the amazing BOGO deals that are on the IBOTTA app this week, and here's one. The Finish Quantum are $4.12 each. These are on the 12 count only. When you buy 2 of them, your total is going to be $8.24. You're going to get back the $4 on IBOTTA, and this can only be done one time per receipt. Hopefully this resets in the IBOTTA gallery, so you're just getting 2 bags, and your total for the bags is going to be $2.12 each. Great deal on these. All right, guys, we got a money maker on this Clorox disinfecting mist. I'm actually going to be picking up the refills at $5.28 because I already have the bottle with the spray handle on it at $6.82. Now, if you're new to this and you want to get the bottle, you can. That has a spray handle on it, but you don't have to, because if you have the handles from the foaming Dawn dish spray or the Gain foaming dish spray, you can use that handle on this and it'll work perfectly fine. So here's the breakdown on this disinfecting mist. So the first thing you're going to do is pick up 2 of these refills at $5.28. The total is going to be $10.56. Then you're going to submit to the coupons app for $2 back on one of them. That's going to bring your total down to $8.56. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $2 on each bottle. Because remember, we're buying 2 bottles. So you'll get back $4 on IBOTTA. Then you're going to submit either to Swagbucks, to Die, or My Points. Now, Swagbucks, to Die, or My Points are pretty much the same apps for 600 points or $6. So, getting back that $2 from Coupons app, $4 in IBOTTA, and $6 from Swagbucks, to Die, or My Points, your grand total is going to be a moneymaker of $1.44. So that's a great deal. Now, if you do not have Swagbucks, please look in the description box for my referral code. I love Swagbucks because they do have some high value rebates. And this is just another great example. You'll be getting back 600 Swagbucks or $6 back on these Clorox mists. I want to give a shout out to my friend and coworker Kelly. She is loving this all deal. Every time this resets in the gallery, she picks up more. She actually showed me some of her IBOTTA haul prices today, and she has been racking it up. So go Kelly. Guys, these are $3.74 for the all. And we have that $2 IBOTTA rebate. That can be done up to 5 times. So this would make these just $1.74, and every time I see this, I pick up all 5 because I want to stock up. You can also do the same deal with the all free and clear. There's another rebate on those for $2 back as well. So great deal on these. Pick them up. This last deal on the Klondike cones is absolutely amazing. So these cones are $7.98 each. So you're able to buy 2 boxes of these and get them totally free with Fetch. You'll buy each box, or $7.98. I went ahead and bought 2, so that's about $16 in cost, and you're able to get back $16 from your Fetch reward app. So great deal on these. Please make sure that you check your Fetch, because sometimes you don't always get your points, but I got mine off the bat and was really excited about this. We just had a great deal couponing today at Walmart, guys. Here are the rebates that I got back on my app. As you can see, I got the Kinder's dressing, the Kinder's seasoning. I got the Air Wick starter kit back, 2 of the Clorox disinfecting mists. I got the BOGO on the Finish Quantum detergent. And then I also got back 5 all blue liquid. I got back 5 bottles of those. So that was 10 offers and $25.18. I also got back my Weekend Warrior bonus, which was $3. And that it's already showed up in my account. Guys, this was just a great haul today. A mini haul, a mighty haul, but I just loved it. As you can see here, this is going to be my Klondike bars. And I got back all of that money there, $16. So great deals on those. Just make sure that those go through on your app. Here are 2 of my kiddos, and they were really excited about my haul because they already opened those Klondike bars up and they were tearing into them. So I think food always tastes better when it's free. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I will see you next time. We'll probably head into Publix on Sunday to do a second haul deal, and of course, CVS on Sunday as well. All right, have a blessed one, and I'll see you then.